This video will show you how to upload your data to eSpatial. In this video, we will cover uploading data using address columns, uploading data using latitude and longitude coordinates, how to change your columns used for location, and how to manage your columns. Before uploading your data, we recommend you first ensure it is formatted correctly. To see hints and tips on how to do this, as well as common errors experienced when uploading data, see our how-to video on preparing data for upload. To upload your data to eSpatial using address columns, click on Add Data in your control panel. You will then be prompted with the menu which allows you to upload new data or add from library. Click on the Upload New Data button. This will allow you to search on a local or network drive for the file you want. From here, you should select your CSV or Excel file you want to upload. eSpatial will automatically find the relevant location columns based on your column heading names. Before clicking on Complete, you should ensure that the correct columns are being used to locate your data. If you want to change what columns are being used to locate your data, click on Change Settings. This will open up the Location Columns tab in the Settings menu. Within this menu, you can select if you would like to add your data by address, coordinates, or link to boundary. As our data is being added using address columns, we will stay in the Address menu. Within this menu, you can select which columns you would like to use to locate your data. You can use the arrows to move the required fields from your data file into the Used for Location table, or you can drag them to the desired field. Please ensure secondary address information is not included in your Used for Location field. You can also drag the columns in Used for Location to reorder them. The top field will then be used first when plotting pins. In the Change Settings menu, we also have the option to manage the columns of the dataset being added to eSpatial. This will allow you to remove any columns you may not want to be present in your table or map. You can remove them by selecting the tick icon under the column. Please note, eSpatial will not allow you to remove the column that is being used as your default label. You can change the column being used as the default label by selecting the radial button underneath your desired column. This defines the default label if you turn on labeling in styling or the identifying attribute for clustered data. If required, you can change the default label column in eSpatial once your data has been uploaded by going to the Style menu. See our labeling section in our styling how-to video for steps on how to do this. You can change the name of a column within your data by selecting the box next to the column name. You can also ensure the correct column type is selected for each column in the drop-down menu. You will see that you have 5 options to choose from: text, integer, decimal, boolean, and date. We recommend ensuring that revenue and count columns are set as integer or decimal types. But if the column is a unique identifier, to use text as the column type. All address columns should be formatted as text type columns. Once you are happy with all your selections and manage columns and location columns, click OK to return to the upload process. You can then ensure that the correct region is selected for plotting your data. If the dataset contains more than one country, then select multiple countries and ensure your data contains a country column. Click on the Complete button to begin your data upload. The Upload Data window will open where you can see the progress of your upload and how your data was plotted. During the upload process, there may be some locations that cannot be plotted. These will show up as no locations at the end of the upload. This is usually due to missing or misspelled address data. Once the upload is complete, these can be fixed from within the map by clicking on the gear icon next to the dataset in your control panel and selecting Manage Locations. Finally, click on the Return to Map button to see your data plotted on a map. If your data has latitude and longitude coordinates, these columns can be used to upload your data. To upload your data using coordinates, click on Add Data in your control panel. You will then be prompted with the menu which allows you to upload new data or add from library. Click on Upload New Data. This will allow you to search on a local or network drive for the file you want to upload. Select your desired Excel file and the eSpatial Upload Data window will appear. eSpatial will automatically find the relevant coordinate columns based on your column heading names. Before you click on Complete, you should ensure that the correct columns are being used for upload. To change the columns being used for your latitude and longitude coordinates, or to set your projection, click on Change Settings. When the Change Setting menu opens, you can use the drop-down fields to choose another field in your CSV or Excel file for your latitude and longitude columns. You can then enter part of a new projection in the Find/Change projection box to select another projection. Click on the OK button to return to the upload process. Once you are happy with your selections, click on the Complete button to begin your upload process. The Upload Data window will open where you can see the progress of your upload and how your data was plotted. Finally, click on the Return to Map button to see your data plotted on a map. Thank you for watching our how-to video. If you have any questions, you can contact us by emailing help@eSpatial.com or by selecting the chat button to the bottom left-hand corner of your screen when on our website or logged into eSpatial.